All right, everyone. Hello, everyone. Just before I started this one, the wrong one. Okay. I just want to iterate, what is needed for as a catheter user. But here's some tips. Just some tips. You can ask for your urologist to if you're going to fly, they'll give you some ideas and materials that you can use for your flight. So that'll be awesome to do that before you do anything else. I have some ideas, but the urologist is the key. The key. Long bags, always keep correct low positions, even for the small catheters, remember to bring those to a low position, okay, when you're traveling. So don't forget that. Keep drinking, on a good amount, as you're flying. So don't forget that. Keep your materials near you. So don't forget that. I have a cross back. So that's where I have it here. And I have them right here. So they're right here, just in case. Number 5 is if you need to go, you really need to go, then request the flight attendant. So, you don't have to struggle, just get ready to go. And they'll help you to get to the bathroom. And because, you gotta do what you gotta do. So that's important. I think those are my best suggestions that I can do. The urologist, will have the best one, and they might give some other, like cards and things like that. I know there's a nice one that is called on the other side. I used to have one that it used to call, I need to go. I really need to go. So there was a card that really helps when you need to go. So that is a possibility. So I had a card somewhere, but I forgot, and I don't know where it is. But I'll find it at some point in my next trip. And what else? That's about all I can think of, and those are the only things that I can muster in the little things that I know. And again, for the TSA, you just let them know, and they'll say, "Oh, okay." They'll be pretty, conscious about that. So usually they're very good about that. Not a problem. So this is just all I wanted to share. And anything, maybe the urologist would be able to give some other tips on your trip, your flying, they would give you even better ideas that I would have, would be the urologist. All right. Well, I won't get too long of this. So remember about my like and subscribe. That helps us to grow as a channel. And that's about it. Take care and be safe on any flying. Take care. Bye-bye.